JMKing, and today I'm gonna tell you guys how to put your outro in your YouTube video from mobile. But yesterday we just hit 20 subscribers, so thank you guys a lot support for it. Just means that you guys are ringing that subscribe button, so it just means a lot to me, and it helps me to create more videos. So yes, 51 views on how to make an outro from intro makeup. Wow. Oh my god. So first go in Google, search www.youtube.com channel. Go on YouTube channel. The first link you're gonna see, you're gonna be presented over here. Now you have to go in video manager. Wait for it to load. Select any random video. I'm gonna select how to change your channel name, JMKing Tutorials. Go in end screen right here. So if you do it from there too, that's too fine. Why did not edit this vid? Oh, fine then. Let me just be back when I find a non-edited version. So guys does not have it. How to make intro from make intro from intro maker. So go and add my element. Go in video or playlist. You can also go and subscribe, or you could promote another channel. Now, but I'm gonna go in video or playlist. Go and create. Go on most recent upload, cause my one right there you can see is previous vid. So now I'm gonna create element. Now I have this element, as you guys can see on the screen. Let me just skip a few ahead so I can. Oh, what's happening right now? Okay, now I hate this. I hate myself. So now I'm gonna put it right there. Now hold this and then like hold where the thing is, like the size changing thing, and let me just increase the size to when it fits the whole screen like that. And it's a little left here. Yeah, booch. Done that. And so that is done now. No, do not move it. It's like a little hard to zoom out if you zoom in, but it is still possible, so just do it. Now I'm gonna add another element. Go in video playlist, go and choose a video. I'm gonna select this one, how to make custom tutorials. Create element. I'm gonna put this one, yes, you, right there. Let me just make it equal as it pops up. When this is my old outro, if you have not seen my new outro, then just go see it. You're gonna see if you just go in how to make outro from intro maker, then too you can see it. So let me just zoom in. Let me just select hold this, and let me just put this where it fits the screen, and like that. Now just go in here and click the save button, and then that's gonna be done. Go click back. Now if you want, let me just go on YouTube. And now if I just go in how to make intro from your mobile, this vid. So last. So now if you just see, it's gonna take few minutes to just bring in the change, but it will take few minutes to just bring in the change, but it will. If you like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Ta-da, bye bye. So guys, now you guys can see that the popped up. Now if anybody clicks on those things, let me just go back 10 seconds. Oh, okay, come on. YouTube. Yes, right there. So like if I even click on them, it's gonna take me to the video. So yes guys, but yes,
Hello everyone, my name is
this
welcome back
is
to JMKing
how
Network,
to how to put your intro, how to put your outro in your YouTube video from your mobile. Just mess the ending up right there. That is why nobody subscribed. But thank you guys for subscribing. Share my channel as much as you can and hit the like button. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Ta-da, bye bye, peace. Woo.